welcome to today's video. I have my most favorite guest, James, who has agreed to be my box opener once again. I think you guys actually would be kind of upset if I didn't have James in a PR unboxing, but I love having James here just to kind of keep it fun, and there's a lot to unbox, so we should probably just get to it. There's a huge Covergirl package right here. Some of this stuff is PR, some is subscriber mail. None of it's sponsored. I always like to make that clear.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. All right, shall we dig in?
Yes.
All right, go to town.
We have a giant Covergirl box.
You guys, I already did a hot or not on Covergirl and all their new stuff, so I'm like, this might be a giveaway. It kind of looks like a Marc Jacobs box, doesn't it? Just like a little bit.
Boom.
Does it say that I'm vain?
Oh!
Or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this
She's
company
strong.
someday?
Holy smokes! Oh my god. Okay, hi. I have not tried the Katy Perry Katy Cat Gloss. Covergirl Queen Collection, the major shade. Looks like a liquid lip. So awesome that they sent this whole thing. I haven't tried these ones. Oh my gosh, I haven't tried those either. How cute is this? The Katy Perry, it looks like a cat right here. I don't like this one right here. Ooh, these little brow things are bomb. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with this more. There's a lot from Covergirl, clearly, that I have not put to the test yet. So major thank you to Covergirl. Everything else that I've already reviewed and tried out, I will be putting in an upcoming giveaway. Ooh, Stila. Exclusive glitter and glow shade, Coral Crush. Ooh, this is it right here. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Yes. I'm sorry, they sent me a highlighter too. I'm kind of like loving Stila right now. Ooh, ooh, love it. Shiny. Oh, this. This is a new color in the Putty collection. It's that really crazy kind of texture. This is called Brilliance. So we have something from Tarte. It says, see, like SEA, like the sea. See the change in your skin. Soak up high performance naturals. Tarte Mer Makeover. Mer-Mist.
Why did you do that to me?
Would you like some more?
Would you like some
No,
of this?
I would not.
Mermaid skin.
All right, so they both, oh no, this is a serum, it looks like, yep. They have a salt spray for your hair and 2 skin products so that you can have the vibes of a mermaid.
This is impressive.
Okay.
Urban Decay sent a package. Look at how little it is.
I like that. Some like it hot. 7 new ways to turn up the heat. You loved our limited edition Naked Vice lipstick shades so much we decided to bring them back and make more. All right, so I'm gonna compare which ones I already have in my collection, put the ones that I do already have in a giveaway, and then test out the other ones. But thanks, Urban Decay. Love the smaller packaging. You guys know I kind of complain about the big packaging that PR sometimes overdoes because I just personally think it's a waste. I do recycle everything here, but for all you guys out there that are watching that do PR, it doesn't matter whether it comes in a big box or a small one. It's all the same to me. It's about the product. A lot of you guys were giving me grief about not liking that tea tree mask, and someone actually said, Tati, you're dumb. Like, that was actually the opening statement of the comment, was Tati, you're dumb. I have my moments, I will definitely say that, but they're like, you don't use that as a mask, you use it as a spot treatment. It's an overnight mask. It's actually called a mask. I've used overnight masks before. So I put it in like the areas that I want to decongest, and it's sticky AF, and I don't like it. I stand by that. But so many of you guys said try it as a spot treatment, so I'm gonna try it as a spot treatment. This is pretty cute. Body Shop actually sent me makeup. That's really cool. So these are individual eyeshadows. Love it. They sent over a bouncy jelly eye mask. That's probably sticky, but we'll give it a try before we judge it. Drops of Youth. This is a gentle foaming wash with 3 plant stem cells. Pretty cool. Sigma. Oh. It's a 3D HD blender. You guys, I did the 4D HD brush, which I have here. It stays with my favorites because sometimes I like to use this to set this business. Kind of looks like I just chopped my beauty blender into bits, but maybe this will work. I'm talented.
Maybe you're gonna get some more versatility. Yeah,
Talented.
do it with 3.
Talented. Ooh, oh, shoe. So many of you want to know, what is this right here? This is the Mario Brothers edition. That's why it has the cute little star on it. But Shu Uemura makes the best eyelash curler. It just, you can get all your lashes without pinching your eyes. It's just the best. I'm gonna send this to my best friend. This is her favorite too. Michelle, I'm sending this to you. Beautiful. And then this one right here, I have been talking with Vanessa's Vanity on Twitter for a little bit. We actually first connected years ago, like years and years and years ago when I did Madness Monday, and she has a little cosmetics shop and she sent me some goodies to test out. All right, so I have some eyeshadow singles to go through here. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh. This is from Vanessa's Vanity. This is Sweet Heat. I love the embossing on the pigment itself. Like butter. Dang. Yes.
Don't you hate it when boxes are filled with stuff like this? So,
Wow, you sound like an infomercial. No! Oh my God! Thank you, KKW Beauty, for sending this my way, and thank you for also sending some information. The last couple of launches, it was just product with no pricing, information, and I, for one, really, really, really appreciate that. Oh my gosh, actually. All right, let me know in the comments. Is it too late? Have I missed it? Have you seen too many of these? Do you want to see it? Should I do an OMG? Should I film with this? I'm curious.
look, La Mer.
This is just not, it doesn't like wind up in my P.O. box all the time, but when it does, I mean, is this not like every girl's dream? La Mer. It says, calm, cool, and collected, introducing the new moisturizing cool gel cream. Ooh, that's actually really cool because their original cream is a little bit too rich for me. I can't use it. I love their serums. I like some of their other products for body, even though it's crazy expensive. Like, who can be spending that kind of money all the time on that? But this is really interesting. I will definitely be trying this out. You guys know this is JLo's secret. Like, I remember reading an article where she spent like $1,600 on like a jar of La Mer and she'd use it as body cream. And I remember reading that and being like, oh my God, WTF. Like, that's the original WTF. Okay, moving on.
Here's another one from Tarte.
Oh.
Here we go with the shoulder thing again.
Just need to see for a sec. I just realized that what was from Stila, you know, the one that I like for under my eyes? This is for the face. This is a glitter and glow highlighter. So it's like literally for your body and your face.
I have a really great idea.
What's that?
You could start doing that shoulder.
Then they can't see it.
Oh.
There's the lid. This could be a fun video. Look at that. Yes, mermaid. My Life as Ava has a collab with ColourPop, you guys. So she's a beach babe, mermaid glow, vacation mode, really cute packaging. I love it. And then we have It's All Wild. So I will definitely play around with these and let you guys know what I think in a upcoming video.
Tati. Boom.
No! Oh my gosh, you guys.
One for you and one for me.
I feel very, very loved right now. This is the sweetest thing ever. Okay, they don't make these bags this size here in California. I can get them when I'm in Seattle, but not here. You guys know I love anything spicy. Jalapeno chips are my fave. I grew up eating these potato chips.
That's so
oh my
sweet.
God, she drew Puka. That is
wow.
so cute. This is from Pearl, and she sent pictures with her Halo Beauty. I cannot right now. This is so cool. You guys, I save every letter. I save every little thing that you send me, and this is just so special. This totally made my day. And the ghost chips, I've never tried these ones.
Dangerous.
I'm gonna be a chicken. This is heavy and soft. I know what this is.
What does it say?
It's foundation. It's
It's
the
a-
Power Play foundation from Cover FX.
Cover FX Power Play.
I actually was going to pick this up over the weekend. Wow, they sent it all. Dang, Cover FX stepping it up. They already had stepped it up long before people were even paying attention, but their color range is
40.
one of the freaking best, and it always has been. So I have to give them a huge shout out for that. Makeup Forever has always been the same way, and yeah, those are like two of the brands that you will find in Sephora that even years ago had a great shade range. So I definitely want to give this a try, and all the ones that don't match me, I will be donating. What's
Hank
this?
and Henry.
Oh, Hank and Henry. You guys, I have not had a chance to show this on my channel yet, but Hank and Henry, this is a makeup artist. He has his own line, and I've bumped into him a few times at Namie's, actually shopping for makeup. He's a very talented makeup artist, and he has these really cool shadows where there's a dry shadow on the top, a duo, and then this crazy shimmer underneath, and you can create beautiful looks. I need to play with these some more. Clearly, really gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Thank you so much for sending these my way.
You're gonna like these.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, yes I am. These are like such beautiful nail polishes. This brand is called Beautiful K Shimmer. These are great. Yeah, kbshimmer.com. Wow, this is a vegan polish line, and all these colors are kind of just like, oh my god, like they're all purple, and purple is my favorite color, so I'm just like, ah! Ooh, Ren. I've actually never received anything in PR from Ren before, but this will always remind me of Fleur because she had a little sample of this. We were staying in a hotel together, I think during Playlist like 5 years ago, and I tried this out and became obsessed with it, and yeah. She always recommended really good skincare to me. Like she always had like cool samples and cool things to try.
Loving tan.
Oh, there's gonna be chocolates in there that I can't eat, and I'm gonna wanna like cry in a corner. If there's Tim Tams in there, I think I'm gonna have a meltdown. I'm allergic to gluten. It's not even like a cute like, oh, I can't eat gluten sometimes for my health. You know what it is? It's I'm gonna be sick for 3 days if I even ingest any cross-contamination. So, dude, it's about time for some good self-tan, right?
Look,
No
honey.
way. Oh my god, matching, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh, look for Puka. No way. Look at that. Do you see that? How adorable.
It is adorable, but he's too fat for that.
Do not fat shame my dog.
He's a big boy.
He's healthy. He's fine. He's good.
He just won't fit in that.
Oh
There's just no way.
Oh my god, I will try.
Bare Pro Skin Improving Longwear by Bare Minerals.
This is the foundation that I shamed on my channel because it's not for me. This is not for me. It's not for me.
Giveaway.
Giveaway. I didn't realize there was concealer in the top. Actually, I'm excited about that. I will definitely try this.
This is Bobbi Brown.
Ooh, Krystal Drama eyeshadow palette. I gotta look at this for a second. I'm gonna have to play with this. I was expecting it to be a little more metallic, but I think this is one of those that I'm really gonna have to apply and swatch and get to know before I make a judgment on it. But this is the Krystal Drama. I like the outside packaging, really kind of fun from Bobbi Brown. And also got a Longwear liquid eyeliner and an eye-opening mascara in really cool packaging. The best-selling DeLorean primer. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued.
Why the double mirror?
Because you're so beautiful, you need to see yourself twice. Flawless filter for a superstar youth glow. What is this? Is this foundation? Actually, I think that's a good match. That's like a pretty good match. We'll find out. Wait, what? Makeup Revolution? Are you kidding me? I love reviewing their stuff because it's good some of the time and very affordable. You can find this at Ulta. Ooh, I love that color.
Oh my god, it's a big bucks makeup.
Ah, cute. Oh, hey Origins. They sent me more primers because I've been raving about it. You guys, that was not a sponsored thing at all. Like, so yeah, I just really liked it. I'm gonna keep one for me and I'm gonna give 2 of them away in an upcoming giveaway. Thank you so much, Origins. Winky looks. Yes. I really like one of their setting powders so much. So this is cool. They sent over some other products to check out. The Balm. Introducing Ferocious Eyebrow Pencil with Spoolie. This has a nice fine tip with a spoolie. I like these kind of micro-tipped pencils, so thank you to The Balm. Nude Dude 2. It's like they're naked. You guys, look. Urban Decay, they have new glosses that look really, really, really beautiful. The watermelon, I love watermelon. Okay, this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Hey, I already have this and use this. And this is a sleeping mask that you can put everywhere that does not totally like destroy your pillow, and it smells like a Jolly Rancher watermelon. James loves this. This is that stuff that I come to bed and you're like, why do you smell like candy?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really good. And they have a moisturizer for oily to combo. Cute, I will try that out. Ow!
Are you okay?
Did I mess up my eyebrow makeup? I'm most concerned about that. I did. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. You guys, I just read the most beautiful, beautiful letter. I'm not gonna read the whole thing on camera, it was private, but I am just like so touched, and I could completely burst into tears. But this is just honestly so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm gonna link this shop below. This is the Soul Love shop. It's an Etsy shop. I love that. Thank you so much.
Freya Lamb, EX1 Cosmetics. Hi Tati, excited for you to check out the latest addition to the EX1 family, the Delete Fluid Concealer. Can't wait for you to hear your thoughts. EXL Cosmetics.
Available in 13 shades. It's $15. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a coconut. What's a coconut? There's a coconut. Alginist. It's a pressed night serum. I'm gonna go ahead and take a wild guess that coconut is an ingredient. And thank you. I'm gonna try this out. How much would I have to pay you to try one of these on camera?
I'm not gonna do it.
Do it. This is not like the bad ones. This is from Trader Joe's.
I know, but isn't that the one people make the videos about?
No, it's not. It's not, I promise you it's not. I'll do it. They don't even look that hot.
How can you tell how hot something is by looking at it? I can tell it's hot. It's already making my nose itch.
No, it's fine. I like it. It's a little spicy. Okay.
Sol de Janeiro.
This is a mask scrub. Like you can literally either leave this on your body and do a full body treatment. I love that.
And I'm addicted to this.
Yes, you are. Or you can just use it as an exfoliant. This is really cool. I did get a sneak preview of this, and I'm so excited that this has launched and I can talk about it now because this is a beautiful product.
Rock Oil.
What?
Hi Tati, congrats on starting your own brand. How exciting. We can't wait to see what's in store. XO Rock Oil.
This is some shampoo and conditioner. And then Moroccan oil treatment. This is like their famous product. It smells so good. Thank you so much to Moroccan oil. What is this? All right, I'm done. This video is over. I'm just gonna go play with this. This is from Guerlain. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I thought that said mom, Guerlain. I was like, oh, mom perfume. Okay, cool. That's hilarious. Doesn't that look like mom? Meteorites. Eye and lip contour cream. Passiflora, Eau de Toilette, bronzer. Oh my god, I'm loving this. I really like Guerlain a lot. The final box. It's from Pixie. I love Pixie. Wow. Oh. Thank you. All right, who we got here? We got Wiley, we got Dulce Candy, we have Chloe Morello. Congrats, ladies. I'm gonna be testing this stuff out. I love me some Pixie makeup. All right, guys, 5,000 years later. Here we are at the end of the unboxing. Thank you so much for hanging out with us while I rifled through all of the PR and subscriber mail. Let me know what you want to see. I can't talk. Talk for me.
Let her know what you would like to see in the comments below. You know, like which collections you're most interested in, and if you wanted to review the KKW Beauty collection. Stuff like that.
Cool.
And also smash the like button.
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna sit here.
I mean,
cool.
if you like James being in this video, smash the like button. But yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Thank you. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
All right, I hope you guys are having a good one, and I'm wishing you a fabulous week, and I will see you all in my next video. Minus James. But thanks for being here today. I appreciate it. All right, love you guys.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.